This forge is made entirely from salvage materials. I'm not sure what the pot is, but it's a little square steel container that has a hole in the bottom and a grate inside, probably some kind of drain. And then we've got this steel tube running to it, probably part of a fence post or something for a chain link fence. And then I use a plastic juice bottle as an adapter to connect the hose of the shop vac. And that is our blower, and what that's for I'll show you here in a minute. The fire's finally starting to catch, but you see there's a lot of smoke there because the wood's still kind of damp. But if we fire up this blower, no more smoke. Now here it comes back again. But I need to burn this down into coals, and then we'll kick on the blower. And the project for today is I want to take these gate hinges and flatten them out to fit this narrower diameter pole. And then we're also going to take this one and flatten it out and reshape it so that it'll fit on here. For an anvil, I'll be using this steel plate. Not sure what that's from, but I have some little pieces here to act as mandrels and stuff, things to help shape the metal. And a big pot of water there for quenching. And then we'll see how this goes. And here's the final product. There's the latch, wide enough to go around a post. And the hinges, a little skinnier than they were when I started out. Just squish them a little flatter. Just scrub those up and paint them to keep them from rusting, and that's it.